A 55-year-old individual from Wuhan in China may have been the first person to have contracted COVID-19. Within few days, it started infecting thousands of people in Wuhan. After Wuhan, virus migrated to other parts of China. From China via Airlines, virus reached United States, Italy, Brazil, United Kingdom and India. This virus has reached all over the world, including Antarctica. Wherever this virus reached, it has caused an unimaginable destruction. The terror of virus was so heart-wrenching that superpower America became helpless. Lakhs of people have lost their loved ones. Several upcoming generations will not forget the destruction caused by this deadly virus. The game is not over yet. Ghosts may still come back because same virus is changing into different variants like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. Every time the coronavirus passes from person to person, it picks up tiny changes to its genetic code and changes into new variant. The origin of this virus is still controversial, but whatever the origin is, it has challenged the humanity with its heartbreaking impacts around the world. It has completely changed our lifestyle. Some experts believe that the virus is most likely of zoonotic origin, that is from bats or another closely related mammal. Some scientists believe that the virus is man-made and got leaked from the Wuhan Institute of Virology.